Hello, Amir Braz's heroes. I'm back with a new video and a new experience. And today I'm going to try Chinese soldier food rations. They say these meals are among the worst, and I'm telling you right now, this is going to be a challenging experience. I'm going to try these meals. If I like them, I'll eat them all. If I don't like them, I won't eat them. I'll give you my opinion on these Chinese meals. Of course, I didn't even want to make this kind of video in the first place. I wanted to get rid of these meals, but I thought I'd share this experience with you. And we'll open them together and see what the Chinese soldier eats. Let me open them. I've seen a lot of videos and heard people say that these meals aren't really up to the required standard. And you know, people have different tastes. Maybe I'll like it, then I'll review the meal and give it a rating out of 10. Alright, I opened the meals. What do we have here? This is juice. This is a bag for water. You fill it with water up to here. They've marked the limit for you on it, and you pour the water into this bag. It's for heating, so you can heat the meal. I'm going to open it. These are the main meals. This reacts with water. And the water gets hot to heat the meal. This is the first, and this is the second. I don't know what this is. Huh? These are pickles. Of course, I translated the meal before I reviewed it, and this is the same thing, a main course. This is the second meal. This is chicken luncheon meat, and these are pickles. They're both here, same case. Let's open the bag. So we can pour water on it. And this is the third one. This is beef. And these are pickles. A paper napkin and a fork. This is the main meal inside, and on both sides are the heaters. This is the water level indicator. Here I have sparkling water. I don't know if it will work or not, but okay, it's water. Let's pour it up to the mark. I'm going to add this water to this meal so it heats up like this. Whoa, look at the steam. It's starting to heat up. Quickly, the effect is really strong. Leave it here anyway. We'll put it here next to this. Now, of course, they take some time to heat up. It takes about 10 minutes. And this is the third one. Volcano, you heroes? Oof, it's hot. It's really hot, but there's no space to leave this with them. I'll put it here. Okay, until it gets warm, let me check these. The small bags, let's see what's in them. I need to heat them up. I'll put them with this one. So everything heats up at once. within it. And this here is juice. Let's prepare the juice. I mean, they put a really big bag, and you can only see the juice with an electron microscope. I don't know why. Honestly, that's what I know. I mean, Chinese food is delicious. I always go to Chinese restaurants, and they serve some of the best food ever. But maybe... does army food taste different? Oh, this is sparkling water. Here we have a Chinese military fork. And this is the paper napkin. It looks like lemonade. So it's lemonade. Well, that's fine. Lemonade is fine. What do we have left? Maybe some dessert here. I translated it. And I found it to be dessert or something like that. I mean, the meal doesn't have drinks, it doesn't have desserts, it doesn't have, for example, nuts like the other armies. Honestly, there's a huge difference. I'll taste it, see how it is. Something sweet. Like fudge, I mean. Alright, no problem. Here's the pickle. Let's open it.
It smells like pickles.
What a bad pickle. Look. Let's put the pickles here. It's Chinese pickle. I always film military meals with two cameras. One camera is above me and one in front of me, but this meal isn't worth filming with two cameras. I brought a cup for the coffee. I thought maybe you'd find coffee to drink. And there was nothing else, just juice. Not that sweet juice. You feel like it tastes like a spoiled lemon. It tastes bad. Even this one got stuck and clung to the other meal. It's hot. This is rice, white rice. All right, let's hope for the best. Like biryani, I mean rice with legumes. Corn and peas, as I see. This is noodles. Let's leave it here. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what's next. Chinese noodles. They love noodles in China, so army food has to include noodles just like in Korea. This is curry rice. It's yellow in color. We put it here. This is how it looks. It smells like curry. That rice smells good, honestly, but I still haven't tried it yet. And this is the last thing. What is this? This is rice with meat. Where should I put it? The tray isn't enough. Let's put the noodles here, and I'll put this here. No problem. It's in 2 halves. This is rice with soybeans. It contains soybeans and meat. Okay, I still have this meat left here. Honestly, it's a meal that might not have much, but because people kept talking, or I heard that it's supposed to be a bit of a poor meal, that's why I got it. This is what made me think about it. This is curry rice. We'll try to eat as much as we can, and I'll give you the review later at the end of the video. Leave me some likes, heroes. Is this the noodles? What is it? This is the meal. And I'm going to try, let me start with this rice. Today, I won't tell you to help yourselves because this is an experiment and you might not like the food. This rice is not bad. There is chicken, and chicken breasts are here. Anyone who doesn't want this type of videos can go down and watch other videos. Whoever can't handle watching strange food and someone trying food for the first time. I mean, is not that kind of taste that makes you want to eat more? I mean, it's just a normal taste. And this liver, it's supposed to be liver. Let's taste a little bit of it. Okay, the liver is fine. This is meat, put it on the rice. This is beef, of course, beef meat. I'll put it on this rice. Honestly, it's not a good meal. It's just an ordinary meal. This is curry rice. It comes with meat. This tastes good, the rice. It has cardamom and cinnamon. And curry, it has strong spices. There's something delicious, I mean. Honestly, this rice is not bad. This meat is not good. I mean, this meat? Honestly, it's not good. Let's put a little here on the curry rice. Let's see. What's gonna happen to it? I mean, the ingredients are there, but they just didn't cook them right. I don't know what's the matter. And keep in mind, these meals are new. Their expiration date is 2022, so they still have 3 years left. But it feels like food from World War I, not even World War II. It doesn't feel like fresh food. Okay, let me try. This is the rice. Soybean rice, which is with the special soybean sauce. It tastes like soybeans. I'm never gonna try these noodles. I mean, what should I even try from it? God forgive me, I didn't mean to disrespect God's blessings. So, Chinese people are known as the noodle experts. No, I would never try those noodles because... honestly, they don't look good. Are these really noodles? Is this army food? Look at them yourselves and judge. Is this what noodles are supposed to look like? There's no way I can eat this. This Chinese army meal is by far the worst. I mean, even the pickles look bad. Let me leave this fork as I put it in the noodles. I won't use it anymore. Look at the pickle. It's cucumber. And pepper. And olive oil, I mean, it's good. Not bad at all. This curry rice, I like the most. This meat here is a bit edible. I don't know what's going on. What's wrong? Oh God. I don't even feel like eating it. I mean, I'm hungry right now. Honestly hungry. I mean, it's lunchtime now. Am I supposed to finish it? I want to eat. I want to keep eating this whole meal. But I don't know why I couldn't bring myself to eat this food. I don't know. And maybe this video, I don't know if I should share it or not. Okay, as you saw Amir Braz's Heroes, I've reached the end of this video with you. I tried Chinese army food and shared this experience with you. Honestly, the food wasn't up to the required standard, and my rating for the meal is 2 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And write in the comments what challenges, foods, and ideas you want me to do for you. I'll see you in the upcoming video. Goodbye. Let me go check what my wife made for lunch now. I'm here at lunchtime. That was sad.